Welcome to Ye Bhi Unbox. In this very video, I am going to unbox trunks from the brand EasyBee. So we'll be doing Seedhi Baat No Bakwas, and let's open the box now. So first of all, there is a funny slogan written here, and then there is a card, this blue man with his white teeth, and there are some discount coupons here and welcome note. One more card is there. On front it is written EasyBee. So the brand claims to be very different from others because they take good care of the environment. This is their USB, and you can read this for more details, or you can check their website for more details. So this is not going to harm the climate also, the environment also in any case. So this is climate friendly product. This will take care not only of the climate but your skin also. And this very thing makes this brand stand out of the crowd. So let's open it now. So this is one blue and this is two. So box is empty and let us keep it aside. So this is the very first trunk and this is the front of the trunk, and here they have given extra cloth, extra bulging of cloth for extra comfort, and this is from the back. Here it is written you do you. So this is the back side and this is the front side. So you will not get a vent here in this very portion at the fly. So generally, like in traditional undergarments, in traditional trunks, you get a vent here. There is a way out here, but here you will not find it. There is an extra clothing for extra comfort. And the cloth is really very, very soft. Just let me bring it closer to the camera so that you can see it. This is extremely soft, unbelievably soft. So this is for sure, like once you wear this kind of stuff, then you won't be able to feel comfortable in your traditional cotton trunks. And this is the waistband. Here it is written EasyBee. Very soft waistband. And the colors of EasyBee brand are very, very good. Little different from others. And stuff, mainly we need comfort when we talk about trunks or briefs. So I have made one more video of EasyBee briefs that you can see on the same channel. You can buy this product from Amazon and from their own site also. All the links you will find in the description. If you buy from their own site like easybee.com and you put in the special voucher YEBHI20, so you will get 20% extra off on all products on this very website. And you can order it from Amazon also. So this is brief number 1, and let me have you a look of from inside. This is like this from inside. There are some instructions written here. Because the cloth is very soft, so we need to take good care of its washing. So this is brief 1. And now let us see brief 2. This is in blue. Both the colors are very good. The people who wear trunks, so they will love to wear this because not only of its cloth, but because of its color also. This is the front. And the best thing is they have some different kind of cloth. Details you can read on their website. Like this is really very soft and very good stuff they have. And they offer returns also. Some of the brands like Olmo, there is a brand Olmo, you will find the videos of Olmo on this very channel. So they don't have any return policy. So you cannot return their product. But here there is a return policy. You can read the terms and conditions. You can forward a return request also. And the cloth is stretchable. It's not going to pinch you. It's not going to hurt you, irritate you, because this is very good cloth. See. 4-way stretchable, I think. So in my opinion, this is a very good product. No doubt the brand has maintained its quality in stitching and cloth and color in everything. And the thing that they talk about, like this is climate friendly. So this is not going to harm the climate also. So if you are also interested in buying these trunks, so in the description, you will find the link of both the sites, Amazon link also and EasyBee link also. If you buy it from the easybee.com, so don't forget to put in the discount coupon, that is YEBHI20, and get 20% off. If this video is really beneficial, like this video, subscribe to this channel, and see you in the next video with some other briefs or trunks. Take good care of yourselves.